Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Calendly for personal trainers. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out calendly.com. Then of course, you just have to sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet, and then you'll be able to see here now the details of your account at the top right. So once you're here, all you have to do now is to create a new event type. Okay, so as you can see right here, we already created some event, but for this video we are going to focus on how you can create an event for personal trainers. So here for the pricing, as you can see, if you want to subscribe to a yearly plan, you'd be able to get this prices, and for the monthly billing, you have these prices as well. Okay, and then once you're done, just have to close it. And now let's start to add a new event type. Okay, so you can click on this create option right here or this one. So just simply click on the create new event type, and then you have here the one-on-one, the group, the collective, and the round robin. So for this one, I'm going to select the one-on-one. Okay, so for our new event types, you just have to click on it. Then after that, just wait for a couple of seconds, and now you just have to add here the event name. So for example, I'm just going to type it right here, trainer, and after that, you just have to set the duration. And then of course, the location of your meetings, you just have to select any of this and click on continue after that. For the next step is you just have to make sure that you have your event details, the host and invitees, and then the scheduling settings. So since we are done with the host and invitees, you just have to select the scheduling settings now. And then here, you can put here the date range. So we have 30 days, the calendar days, and if you would like to set a date range, you just have to select here the starting date and then the ending date. Next is we have the hours in calendar settings. So here just have to set it. So just click on this one, then make sure to select here or type out right here your weekly hours. Okay, so that just click on save and continue, and then go back right here, and then we can now proceed to the event limit. So we have here the buffer time. So we can set here our buffer time, and then if you would like to add here a minimum notice, so I think 4 hours would do. And then for the daily limit, so I can have 3 clients in a day, so I'm just going to put it right here. And then for the additional options, so you can just click on it and click on done after that. Okay, so right here you'd be able to see here now the preview of your Calendly. Okay, so right here for the notifications and workflows is to send automatic communications for your events. So for the calendar invitations, so immediately after booking, and for the email reminders, so you can turn this on, but we have to subscribe to a plan in order for us to access this feature, as well as for the text reminders and email follow-up. So you just have to upgrade your plan, and then after that, just click on save and continue. Now to share this to your client, all you have to do is to simply click on the view live page at the top right. Okay, so just simply click on this one. You'd be able to see here now how it looks like if someone book an appointment with you. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and you'd be able to see here now the title of this event and then the available date. So we have this one. So when you click on this one, you'd be able to see here now the time. So that is why it is very important to set the correct time so you'll be available to your working hours. Okay, now to send this or to share this one, you just have to copy the link, and then you just have to send it to your client through different social media platforms. Or you can also share this to an email. Okay, so just go here and then click on the add times to email, and you can also add this to your website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.